Okay, let me tell you what. This is my favorite.
Yes, totoo. Isa nga ito sa mga paborito kong kape dito sa bahay, ang Purple Corn Coffee. Ang 18-in-1 instant coffee. 21 grams ang laman ng isang sachet at 10 sachets ang laman ng isang box. Ang main ingredients nito ay purple corn extract, coffee powder, L-carnitine, barley, malunggay, ginseng, mushroom extract, grapeseed extract, spirulina, goji berry, wheatgrass, ginkgo biloba, bignay, turmeric, green tea, serpentina, tungkat ali, sambong, at natural sweetener na stevia. It has all natural ingredients. Expiration date, October 2026. Buy now. Click the link.